Today, we're making another of my all-time favorite Moroccan dishes. It's Seffa Medfouna. It's a spectacular dish of sweetened vermicelli or couscous. Medfouna means buried, and as such, savory chicken or lamb is buried under a dome of broken vermicelli. It's typically eaten during special occasions, and with one bite, you will understand why. In this preparation, the broken vermicelli is steamed, not boiled. Steaming the noodles gives them a beautiful, silky texture that you can't get by boiling the noodles in a traditional way. The noodles, they're steamed several times, typically 3 or 4 times, depending on how much water is absorbed in between steamings. They're steamed for about 20 minutes in the top portion of a couscousiere. While the vermicelli steams, I cook my meat. I'm using chicken here. Combine olive oil, chopped onions, chicken, cinnamon, turmeric, black pepper, ginger, butter, and cilantro. I add saffron water and then let cook until the chicken is perfectly tender. Raisins can be added to the noodles, or they can be caramelized separately by cooking them with a bit of cinnamon and sugar. I add a bit of honey and orange blossom sugar here as well. To serve, spoon chicken and sauce onto a bed of seffa. Hide the meat with the remaining vermicelli and decorate with caramelized raisins, powdered sugar, cinnamon, and crushed almonds. I'll share a full recipe for this delightful dish very soon. Until then, like and follow for more, and as always, psaha and bon appétit!